Today I'm here to show you this window bird feeder. This is a clear bird feeder made of acrylic, and it comes with 2 wooden panels for installation in your window. I'm going to install it in my bedroom window. It looks pretty easy to install, so we'll see how it goes, and I can't wait to see the results. This acrylic bird feeder is going to give you a 270-degree view. And what's nice is that it's made of acrylic and not PVC plastic. Acrylic is known to be clearer, and it's just going to give you and your family a better view of the birds and the critters that are feeding. The side panels are made of MDF wood, so they're treated for the elements. They'll be able to withstand rain, and they'll hold up for a long time. This feeder is suitable for windows width of 23 to 35 inches and 0.75 inches on the inside. I can't wait to see the birds feeding in my feeder. I love that I put it in my bedroom. You could put it anywhere in your house and it would just bring a lot of joy and excitement to your family. So thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful.